Alright, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, this video is dedicated to Binky for helping me and being such an awesome girlfriend. I just had my dirt bike, the bars put on it and chain, and these are the old bars. I'm going to walk you over to the beast in the garage. That's where the monster is kept. There she is. Big Red. The big Honda. Yeah, baby. Zoom in on that thing. Yeah. There's the beast. Come on up to her and see what we got. We got aftermarket wave rotors, new Diddy gold chain, Excel Pro wheels, aftermarket red engine plugs. This baby's mint condition radiator braces, and the brand new Lenthal twin walls, baby, and grips. These are the Shiznit right here. That's what I'm talking about. 07 CRF 250R with the Circa airflow front fender. This is the beast that is kept in the garage, ladies and gentlemen, and to let it out would be devastating for anything in its path. The BBR gas cap. Let's take a look at this beast. CRF power, shined up frame, the Renthal sprockets. This thing is the real deal. Thank you again, Binky.